Look at this. Hey everyone, thank you guys so much for being here. Please be sure to like, comment, share, subscribe, and let everyone know what I'm all about. Thank you guys so much for being here, and I love and appreciate you guys all so much. And let's dig into this feast. Today we have chicken and steak, fajitas, some sour cream, lettuce, tomato, avocado, cheese sauce, some salsa, chips, refried beans, rice, and tortillas. So let's dig in, guys. I'm super hungry. Let's get the drink open. Get this all set up. Thank you guys so much for all your support. I love you guys to death. And I hope you guys enjoyed my 4,000 subscriber video with the cheesecake. Please go check it out. And if you guys haven't already, go check out my video with the 24-hour letting the person in front of me decide what I eat challenge. That was so much fun to film. Oh my gosh, guys. When I tell you, it was so crazy. It was a blast, but some of you guys already seen it, and you said it was like super hilarious. And honestly, I feel like that was my, like, one of the most fun I had filming a video. Had to be. Ooh, this looks so good. All this green stuff. This is somewhat healthy, right? Somewhat. Let's try these chips, actually. Ooh, look at this. Sip into the cheese sauce. You guys want some? This is way too good. I'm dig into this. Get this all set up. Sour cream. Lettuce is all in the sour cream, I know. I'm aware. Add this. Should I add some rice? Yeah, let's add some rice to this. I had to reheat the rice because it was getting a little too cold, guys. Add some salsa. Can't forget my red pepper flakes. These things are amazing. Let me show you guys what I made. Look at this. You guys want some? Oh, I don't even know how I'm gonna eat this. It's gonna be a big mess. Hold up. Ooh, guys. Wow. The steak and chicken is so good. Guys, oh my god. I wish you guys could try this. This is incredible. Everything's falling out. I normally like corn tortillas. Ideally, I'm a corn tortilla kind of guy. But these are just fine. Guys, I'm gonna get a little messy in this video, so if you don't like seeing people get messy, no, I'm sorry, you're in the wrong place. I haven't had Mexican food in a minute. Forgot napkins too. Oh, I'll give you guys a bite too, don't worry. I got you guys. Want some more chips? Mmm. Mm-hmm. This sauce is good too. Chips and salsa is the best. The absolute best. I want to say thank you guys for all the amazing comments. It's like so unbelievable. I just have so many amazing people in my life. Like, you guys are so amazing. So you guys make this worthwhile. Because as you know, it's hard being a mukbanger. Starting off, I'm like 6 months old on YouTube. And starting is not easy, guys. Getting a channel going, consistent views, you know, consistent everything, money, it's hard. But you guys tuning in and watching has just made it so much easier to just release a video and not feel so much pressure to, you know, get it a certain way, or, you know what I mean? Because I have you guys, you know, I have an audience of people who, even, you know, you guys had commented like, Cory, we don't care if you don't have a lot of food, just like, I'll watch you for you. And stuff like that just means the world to me. That kind of comment makes me feel like, you know what, I'm supposed to be doing what I'm doing. And it's hard, it really is, you know. Sorry if you guys can't really see me. I want you guys to see the food more, but here. You guys want some pepper on yours? Alright, say no more. Okay, here you guys go. It's all yours. Here, have some. Let me see here. I got everything that I want in this. Oh, this has tomatoes in here too. Wow. Nice. I'm eating it like a taco. I don't know if this is how you're supposed to eat it. But that's what we're doing over here, okay? Yeah, this is so good. Sorry, guys. But I'm now including my email in the description box. So if you guys ever want to email me about anything, feel free. It is now down there. Same with my Cash App and my social media. So feel free to reach out. I had a bunch of days off, so this is why I'm filming all this stuff now. So then when I am at work, I'll already have the videos ready to fire off. My schedule is pretty open this week, so hopefully I can get a lot of videos done. It's falling all over the place. I don't even think I like fajitas like that, but it's good. Not bad at all. Ooh, all that pepper. Ooh. I just want to say sorry, guys, if I'm out of it this video. I've been not getting a ton of rest. It's been kind of hard to, I don't know, just have energy to film and stuff. Because normally when I upload, well, mind you, recently the videos have been taking a lot longer than usual to upload to YouTube. So, therefore, it's just been super hard to, like, get it out because I have to stay up super late just to upload the video, do the thumbnail, description, etc. But I'm going to do a test run of a video that is not a mukbang, but it can help other mukbangers. Or actually really anyone that does YouTube. So I hope you guys like that video. It'll be very different. But I think it'll be worth it. Like, I feel like we're all about helping people. And I feel like that's what I need to do. These chips are good. Everything here is really good. But guys, be careful with that coronavirus. No, that was scary. Last time I checked, this at 8 cases in the US. I think. I don't know, but you gotta be careful. Sorry guys if I'm just rambling in this video. I'm just trying to get my life together. Trying to get everything together. I have some things coming up in the works for my channel to elevate it to the next level. So good. I don't want to have any more of these fajitas because I gotta save room for dessert. I'm filming this before I do my 4,000 subscriber video. But my my 4,000 subscriber video will be coming out before this one. So I do every other day uploads. Well, I try. Anytime I say that I am going to upload on these specific dates, never works out. Even if I commit to something, something always seems to pop up. Enough with the salsa. No. Can't do it. Okay, can you guys tell me, if I did a video without food and did like story times or like my, you know, my horror stories or like something like that, like, would you like watch it? Would you guys like to see that kind of stuff? Because sometimes all of this food is just like expensive, and there's people on YouTube, you know, making videos and content for people and paying zero no money at all. So I just want to know, would you guys be interested if I did like story times, maybe have like a snack or something? But sometimes just doing these meals every day is just like taking a hit to the bank account. But look at these fajitas, guys. Oh my god, chicken and steak with some, what is this, peppers and onion and tomato. Super bomb. Super, super good. But let me know if you guys are down for that. Because if so, that would be amazing. Maybe not like completely convert to that, but maybe mukbangs every other video. Or something. I mean, even the story times, I can have snacks and stuff. Because what I've seen, the Milwaukee trip video I did, that was my biggest video on my channel ever. So therefore, I'm just like thinking, what if I just do more videos like that? Like, I was sitting at my desk with no food, and I mean, I did have a part where I was eating food and stuff. I was storytelling with images. So I don't know. That was a really fun video, and I never would have thought it would have done that good. So I was like, oh, I'm a mukbang channel, you know, people want to see me eat. But no, you guys came through. More people than I ever imagined would come to that video. Like, it's crazy. They always say it's always the video you least expect to do good, does good. Or it's always the one you least expect. And to be honest, that video was not planned out at all. Like, I was just like, oh, I'm going to be with my friends. Let me just film a couple, you know, things that we do. So I did. I had about like 3 minutes of footage, 4 minutes, 5 minutes of footage of my trip to Milwaukee. And I was just talking the rest at my table here. Like, I filmed it in Milwaukee, came back here, filmed the rest of it. And it was just like crazy to me. I was just like, how is this video almost at like 9,000 views? Like, that's a lot of people. 9,000? That is a small city. Small town. So let me know if you guys would like to see more stuff like that. Story times with like pictures and video clips. That would be so fun. I would love that. Because it was a fun video. I mean, it was easy. I did eat a little bit. For like 2 minutes. In that video. Sorry guys, these chips and salsa are giving me life. I promise I'm gonna get some sleep tonight, guys. I'll get my energy back and we can get off to a normal start. I'm trying, trust me. That's why I'm filming days in advance, like multiple days in advance. So then I can have like 4 days off a week of YouTube, but like still be uploading, of course. And I just love reading your guys' comments and seeing all the support is just so amazing. 4,000 subscribers. As of filming this, I think I were like 4,100 something. So thank you guys so much. Alright. This was excellent. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I had a couple fajitas, chips, salsa. This rice and beans were so good. They were delish. But I think I'm going to close this video out. Alright, all my corals, thank you guys so much for being here and watching me eat this amazing food. And I love you guys to death, and peace out, guys. Stay tuned for another upload coming soon. Please be sure to like, comment, share with anyone and everyone, and let everyone know what I'm all about. Alright, bye guys.